The future of AI, LaMDA and its impact on the world. In the past, AI was only used in certain settings and for certain tasks. However, with the advancement of technology, AI is now being developed for a wider range of applications. LaMDA is one such AI that is being developed with the aim of being able to converse with humans. In this video, we will be discussing the future of AI LaMDA and its impact on the world. LaMDA is an artificial intelligence research project that is currently being developed by Google. The aim of the project is to create a computer system that can understand and respond to natural language queries. The project is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. If successful, LaMDA could be used to develop intelligent assistants, chatbots, and other applications that can understand and respond to human queries. Google is not the only company working on artificial intelligence. There are many other research projects and commercial products that are also trying to develop similar capabilities. However, LaMDA is unique in its focus on natural language understanding. Many experts believe that artificial intelligence will have a profound impact on the world in the coming years. Some believe that AI will cause major disruptions to the economy and society, while others believe that it will be a force for good. Regardless of the eventual outcome, it is clear that LaMDA and other AI projects will have a major impact on the world. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI has made incredible strides forward, thanks in large part to a powerful new AI technique known as LaMDA. LaMDA, which stands for Learning with Multiple Levels of Abstraction, is a form of artificial intelligence that is able to learn and understand concepts at a much deeper level than previous AI techniques. This is significant because as LaMDA continues to evolve, it has the potential to completely change the way we interact with the world around us. For example, imagine you are talking to a LaMDA-powered AI assistant. Instead of just responding to your questions with simple answers, the LaMDA AI would be able to hold a conversation with you, understand your needs and wants, and provide helpful recommendations accordingly. In addition, LaMDA-powered AI could also be used in a wide variety of other domains such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. For instance, LaMDA could be used to develop more personalized and effective treatments for diseases, design more efficient financial products, optimize transportation systems, and even create new educational content that is better tailored to each individual student's needs. The possibilities are truly endless. As LaMDA continues to evolve, it will have a profound impact on our lives and the world around us. It is designed to process and understand human language. LaMDA can be used to answer questions, make predictions, and generate new text. LaMDA is based on the Google Translate system. In the past decade, artificial intelligence has made significant advancements. One area of AI that has seen particular growth is natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of AI that deals with the interpretation and manipulation of human language. One of the most promising NLP techniques is known as LaMDA. LaMDA is a neural network that is able to generate responses to questions. It does this by first generating a representation of the question, then matching this representation to a known answer. LaMDA is still in its early stages, but it has already shown promise. In one experiment, LaMDA was able to answer questions about fictional characters from the Harry Potter series with up to 87% accuracy. As NLP techniques continue to develop, it is likely that LaMDA will become increasingly accurate and powerful. This could have a range of applications, from customer service to medical diagnosis. So far, LaMDA has shown that it has the potential to be a powerful NLP tool. As it continues to develop, it is likely that it will have a significant impact on a range of industries. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject.